What is up, YouTube? What's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be working on my friend's car. It's a Genesis sedan 5.0 R-Spec model. It's pretty quick, not gonna lie. So you can see some bumper damage there. He's gonna get a whole new bumper, so that's cool. We're mainly gonna be working on these dents here, on the fender, the doors. Look at that, nasty. And that's it, all the way back here to the rear fender. Kind of like how my Honda had it, but this is way easier. You just sand it, put more Bondo. So I told him about, well, he's seen my videos that I did some Bondo work, and he wants me to try it out on his car because he's gonna get it repainted. So let's check it out. All right, guys, so we're gonna start off by using a 180 grit. When I was working on a Honda, I was using 120 grit, but I felt like the scratches that I left were too deep. So either way, we're gonna sand it with the 180 grit. Once we put that Bondo, we're gonna sand that down with 220 grit. And I have 400 grit just in case to smooth it all out. So we're gonna start sanding all the little dents with the 180. All right, guys, so we had already sanded it down, except for this one. We haven't done this one yet. And we applied our first layer of Bondo. So we filled up that little hole. We made sure we got a lot of it inside there. And then we threw another layer over that. Here. These little dents here too. Right here. This one kind of reminds me of the one that was on the Honda, but this is not as bad. So if we were able to fix that one and make it look better, this one we should get it close to looking, you know, identical as how it was before. So yeah, guys. All right, guys, so we applied a second layer already, but we sanded it down, so this is going to be the third layer now. You guys can tell we fill up that gap. Just got to make it flush with the top here. This one's coming out pretty good. This one's good, to be honest. Maybe one thin layer. This one too, small thin layer on this side, and this one still needs like two or three layers. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this third layer. All right, so this is that third layer. We're already started sanding. Well, I started sanding on this other side right here. That needs two more layers and it should be good. All right, guys, so this is the third layer. It's already sanded down. We do have a tiny high spot here. You can feel it. I mean, I can't really show you guys, but trust me, you can feel like a little, kind of like a little wave or like a little warp here. And if you keep going over here, it's all smooth. It's all good. There's no bumps or anything. Only right here. So we're probably gonna wait till tomorrow. Put another layer here. This one right here. This one's good right here. It's good. But right here, we got a tiny little dip. So we're gonna put another layer there. This one's good back here as well. Except for here, if you guys see that little right there. So we're gonna put Bondo there to try to make that as flush as possible. So that's it with that. And then right here, this back one, this one still needs like three more. But we ran out of sandpaper, the 180 grit. So I'm gonna stop by the store tonight and go get some more. But yeah, guys, this thing is looking a lot better. Really sick. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, my friend already started sanding this down. That's like, I think that's as good as we need it. We don't need to sand it anymore. So we're gonna also put the Bondo tomorrow. It's coming along though. Alright, guys, so we're basically done with all the Bondo work. We shot some primer at the rear bumper where we had those paint chips. We had put like a small layer of Bondo there, and we sanded it down. Same with this backside here. So that's all set. this right here, this should be the final layer. We're gonna sand it down, shape it, and it should be good. This one's done. That's ready to get primered. This one is done as well. We just gotta sand it. And we got started on the fender as well. This is already the second layer. So once we sand this down, throw like maybe 3 more layers on it, and we can start shaping it. It's almost done though. All right guys, I'm sorry, I keep forgetting to record, but I believe this was the second layer or the third layer. I can't remember anymore, but it still needs a couple more. I just sanded it down a little bit to get those really high spots out, but we're still gonna fill up some more here. And then this right here, still haven't sanded it down. We just gotta sand this down, and this is good to be primered. Already primered this. That's good. This needs to be sanded down and primered as well. You guys saw the backside was good. Actually, this right here, you can kind of see, I don't know why it looks like that, but we're gonna sand it down and do like a little bit more layers, because when you feel it, you can't feel anything. Like this little dip that it has right there, you can't feel that. It feels like super duper smooth, so I'm not sure what that's all about. All right. So this is, I know this is a third layer. I'm gonna start to shape it after this one. We already primered this. This is all smooth. Can't feel no dents or nothing. This one's all set. This one should be the last layer on that one. Sand that down, primer it, and it's all set. It's all good to go, guys. So yeah, not too bad. All right, check that out, guys. Check that out. So for the fender, we pretty much got the shape on it now. So it's shaped. We're just giving it like little baby filler coats to like make everything, you know, as best as possible. All these other ones here, they're all good to go already. I sprayed them again, so right now they're drying. So these all have 3 coats of primer. I'm sorry if my voice sounds muffled. I have a face mask on, so yeah, guys. All right, guys, so another day, another dollar. We went ahead and gave it a little filler coat. This one's done. Me and my friend both looked over it, and we were pretty happy with how it looked, so we're gonna consider it done. Now I'm sure it might have some small defects along with these other doors, you know, but to our, you know, seeing, you know, we can't really tell anything different. So I went ahead and filled up some spots where we thought we needed some, but other than that, guys, we're all set. So I'll be back with you guys once I finish sanding this and I spray it down with primer. And yeah, guys. All right, guys, so we went ahead and shot the primer on it. You guys can kind of see the shape, how we formed it. So just waiting on that to dry. All these other ones are good too. So the car is basically done. All right, guys, so we already gave it 3 layers of primer. So this is all done. The car officially is done. I fixed everything the best I possibly could. You know, I tried the best. I tried my best to get it as close, as good as, you know. You guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Do you guys think we did a good job? You know, let me know. Till next time, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.